Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, and I'm here with great news for you. We recently introduced Snow Train, a darling quilt designed by Coach House Designs. Barb is the just creative genius behind that company there in Canada, and she designed this exclusively for us using a collection called So Much Fun by Northcott. And we introduced this. People went crazy. I knew it was going to sell out. I just didn't think it was going to sell out within 12 hours, and it did. And I mean, the number of people that have just been so sad because look at this quilt. Just look at these happy snowmen. It's a good size quilt. It's the warmest and snuggliest flannel ever. It's just lovely. All of the snow and the wheels of the train are all pre-fused and laser cut. It's just maximum fun, cute, and convenience. And you know what? We gathered as a team. We called our friends at Northcott and said, okay, so many people want this. Would you do a special printing just for us? And they said, yes. So first off, thank you, Northcott, for being willing to work with us. Our first love here is being able to put more smiles on more makers' faces all around the globe so more people could have this adorable quilt in their home or maybe give as a gift. How amazing is that? So let me tell you about this very unique opportunity. And we thought, if you're going to have a little one snuggled up underneath this quilt, they need a pillow, of course. And so the other thing you're able to do, we had a little bit of fabric left over. We made a magic pillowcase. You'll not only be able to make a $10 deposit toward the cost of this kit and reserve a limited amount that we're going to be having created for us, you'll be able to also reserve your backing for $5. We've got a small 2-piece thread set. That's just for stitching down the applique, but you'll also be able to reserve one or more of the pillowcases. Maybe you want 2 of them, I don't know. But I just thought that was the perfect ensemble because a warm and snuggly quilt needs a warm and snuggly pillowcase, but of course. So I am thrilled. So many times we don't have an opportunity like this. It is quite unique. So if you were one of the ones, or maybe you're seeing this for the first time, do not let this pass you by. It is rare that we see a collection that's this cute and in flannel, which is perfect for making a good size quilt just to snuggle up with, during those cold winter months. So be sure to head to the website, grab your kit, your backing, your thread set, and of course your pillowcase. If you will be joining us for this amazing, really kind of once-in-a-lifetime quilt, these are the notions we use to put the quilt together. And I'll just kind of touch on the ones that really are the most important. This is all patchwork, except for adding just a little bit of the laser shapes. Anytime we're doing just patchwork, that means some good clean cuts. And so if it's been a while since you've changed the blade on your rotary cutter, don't delay. Do that now. The other thing is there is some precise piecing coming together. If you struggle with your quarter inch seam allowance, as I do, admittedly, I talk about it, just grab the seam guide. You might even want the seam guide setter. That's a scant quarter. And it never hurts to sew a scant quarter with flannel. It's just thicker. When you fold that seam over, it's just thicker. For that reason, also, remember to sew on a shortened stitch length. That's just kind of a bonus. But these are the other things on the table. Of course, you want good 50-weight thread. You're going to have this, and this quilt's going to get washed. You want to have some good quality thread. Patchwork pins, of course, that normal thing. And these are the rulers that we use. I wouldn't say there's anything specifically unique about them. We love creative grade products, of course. If you've got creative grade rulers at home, of course, you've got what you need. But these are just the ones that we ended up using in this particular project, in addition to, of course, the big ruler, the 6.5 by 24.5. The reason that the wafer light box is out here is if you want to be able to just get these in the perfect position and on the trees, by all means, grab that light box, or maybe you've got one at home. But I'm going to say it, especially knowing that we had to guess to get this in motion. We made a guess at how many more kits people would want. This will be shipping well into 2025, maybe even approaching June. But you know what that means? You're going to get your kit And this time it will actually be done for the Christmas season if you're going to give that as a gift, and certainly into the winter months of 2025 and even 2026. The most important thing, again, get your kit. Don't miss out this time. Grab the perfect backing, also this warm and snuggly flannel, of course, the pillowcase kit, and then the thread set, and of course, the notions you might need. And subscribe. Things like this, as you already heard, sold out maybe even before you knew this product existed. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. That way you are amongst the first to know when there's new things like this. Of course, new videos such as Block of the Months, clubs, new video tutorials, and so much more. That's how you find out. And open the emails. That is another way to be amongst the first to know about our newest products that are quite popular and often sell out. So thank you for giving me part of your day to let you know that Snow Train is back. And if you missed getting all aboard the first time, get all aboard this time. Thank you again for giving me a few minutes of your day, and I'll see you soon on another Shabby video.